When I was invited to write a series of articles for a magazine, if you are interested in the articles, there will be a link down to get information about the magazine. I was looking for a fitting name. And my wonderful wife, Jeannie Michaels, came up with the suggestion, the Crystalline Universe. And I was delighted with that name, because this name has also a general relevance. And not only for the articles, as I will explain in this short video. I've used this overview already on several occasions, but it helps you to see that this universe is indeed crystalline. And you have to look at the left column and see how crystalline energies are having its influence on every level of existence in this universe. Every planet and star in every system on every level is crystalline in nature. And all these systems hold consciousness, and they all hold information to give form to structures in life. It is fascinating to realize that the central sun of our galaxy takes from the infinite consciousness, source if you want, that aspect, that consciousness and that information that is needed to give form to our universe. It determines its potential. And then each system within our universe uses aspects. Those aspects that are relevant for the full expression of its system. And you may be able to see that these systems are actually hierarchical, which means that there is a certain order. But that order does not mean that systems of a higher place in the hierarchy are more critical or more important. All systems are equally important. They just have different roles to fulfill to express the potential of this universe. All systems have a connection with the Earth through portals. And that's also true for the central sun of the universe. And you see the location of the portal to the central sun of the universe in this image. And through this portal you can connect with all the crystalline energies of this universe. But because the field of crystalline energies that comes through the central sun is so vast, it's not easy to discern the different aspects and work with them. Focusing on the crystalline energies that go into the Earth through a sun portal, through our sun portal, is much easier. And in this image you see the location of a portal to our sun. So you can choose to connect with it. And you can then feel maybe the difference from between this one, this portal, and what comes through, and that of the previous one. And you can even go back to that image if you choose to. So when the crystalline energies enter the Earth system, they enter into a crystalline energy field. And those aspects of that field that in one way or another we or whomever is working with then forms a crystalline grid, or grids if you want. And these grids are complex, but to give you an idea, you see in this image two vortexes of a crystalline grid. Both pictures are taken in the Sedona area. In the past, people used crystalline energies. They were aware of it. An example of the use of crystalline energies is megalith. And this image shows a dolmen in the Netherlands, which is located on a vortex of the crystalline grid. But the interesting point is that it has energy frequencies that most people currently cannot reach. Obviously, in the past, working with these energies was part of their culture, and they were very good at it. Unfortunately, a lot has been lost, but we are regaining again not only that knowledge, but also a deeper understanding in combination with a lot of developments that we have gone through over the last centuries. If we want to understand the world in which we live, and whether that is on the level of our planet or that of other planets, like, for example, Venus, which you see in this image, other stars or galaxies, or even more complex structures like galaxy clusters, we need to study and learn to work with crystalline energies. And that's why we created the crystalline movement. It offers many possibilities to connect deeper with crystalline energies and helps you to understand the different frequency levels. And for those interested, there will be more information in the text below the video. And we also created a course to help you connect with the energies from the different planets, stars, constellations, galaxies, and even larger groups, because they bring their energies through portals into the Earth, giving us the opportunity to work with their energies, which means with aspects of their consciousness and the crystalline energies that are present in those systems. And the sun and all those other systems are so important that we also developed a course for that. And again, you can find more information below. In summary, we can say, yes, our universe is truly crystalline. And yes, it is important to understand those energies. But of course, it's up to you to feel from your heart whether it's something you want to explore or not. Whatever choice will be made by you, know that working with crystalline energies is happening whether you know it or not. I hope you enjoyed this little introduction.